Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna review and test out this curling iron. This is T3 Singlepass 1¼ inch curling iron, and I gotta say I was very skeptical, buying this curling iron because it's not cheap. And to be honest, I felt like a lot of people just bought it because it looks kind of fancy. I don't really care for, the colors. To be honest, I would prefer it in black, but it was more expensive, so I bought the white one. When you take this out of the box, it's very plasticky. There is this rubber pad here that basically protects it from moving. So if you put it on the table, you're waiting, for this to heat up, it won't move. So this is really great. Attention to details, really good. And this is how you turn the curling iron on. You basically just move this part. I don't know if you can see. This way, so you can change the temperature. This is the lowest temperature, this is the second heating option, and this is the third one, and the fifth one is the hottest setting. But I'm just gonna go with the third setting. It feels pretty hot, and I'm also impressed with how fast it heats up. It was less than a minute and it was already hot and ready to use. This is great because with the other curling iron I usually have to wait a few minutes, so it's pretty nice. We'll test it out. I also like that it comes with a little Velcro, so you can put the cable away nicely and it's not gonna be messy. Yeah, and I also use this heat protecting spray from Living Proof. It was $28 and I use it pretty often, and I still have a lot, so not bad. I really like this Velcro. It will keep this cable managed, so this is pretty neat. And I also use this thing. Sorry for the dust, I need to vacuum here, but this is great. This is the smart plug. So basically what I do after I'm done, I click here and it's off. I really like that there's this rubber pad because now it doesn't move on my nightstand here. The other curling iron moved when I was curling my hair and burned my candle here. This is electric candle, as you can see, and it's damaged now because of my curling iron. So okay, I'm just gonna start curling my hair and I'm gonna stop talking, but really want to share my thoughts. I'm gonna change the heating setting to 4. I feel like it's not hot enough. The other problem I had with the other curling iron I had is that it only had one temperature setting, which I think it was the highest. It was 450 or something like that, and I actually burned myself pretty badly a few times, and it was a pain. So I actually just stopped using it because it was dangerous. So I like that this allows you to have few heating settings, because I'm just gonna find the one that works for my hair, and it's safe enough, so if I touch my skin for a millisecond, I'm not gonna burn myself like with the other one. Okay, I think we are done. And I use this glove to put the my curling iron away because it's heat resistant, so you know, whenever heating iron is super hot, because I just use it, I just put it inside. But I need to also vacuum that, it's super nasty. But yeah, this was super cheap. I think I paid like less than $10 on Amazon, and it's super useful. It also, you know, if you're gonna put it on it, like there's no way the curling iron will move because it's also rubbery, so it's great. I can also recommend this. And I'm gonna use this hairspray. I really like this one because it keeps my curls looking natural, good, and you know, curled up to 2 days, if not 3 sometimes. So yeah, and smells good. It's not strong and doesn't make my curls too crunchy. Okay, this is it. You know, I'm not, you know, a hairstylist. You know, I'm not a professional, so like I'm just a regular person using, you know, curling iron. I'm not, you know, the best at it, but definitely, you know, if I would compare to the other curls I did with the other curlers, these look very natural, definitely, and they also feel like they would last a little longer, if you know what I mean. Like they are not falling apart even without a hairspray. But we will see. They say that apparently they, you know, they last longer. That's why I bought it, because I was like, we'll see. You know, I have a $10 curling iron and I tested out $200 curling iron, and this one is for like $160. I paid with a coupon a lot less. So this one is like in the middle, and I didn't use the hottest heating setting, so we'll see. But this is it. I think I'm gonna make a review after, you know, a few months of using it, but for now, you know, first impressions, not bad. I really like, you know, how it feels in my hand. I really like this part, the rubbing pad. I don't like this. I never use it, and for me it's useless, but I know that I may use it one time, so it's alright. And I guess it looks good, although, you know, I prefer just, you know, a regular look. I really like this is rotatable, and this is pretty fancy, but you have to disconnect it to turn it off, which you should do with any curling iron, you know. So I usually use just a smart plug, which I click to turn on and click to turn off, and I can also, you know, check how much energy it consumes. I really like that stuff. So I just use a smart plug, which I bought on Amazon. 2 were like $20, super cheap. So I have one for my dryer, I have one for my Dyson air purifier, just to see like how much we're spending on, you know, drying clothes, heating, and purifying the air. So it's interesting. Curling irons don't really take as much energy, but yeah, maybe I'll show you stats for this curling iron, how much energy it took to, you know, prepare this hairstyle. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking, but I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.